Hello everyone, today we learn about phase modulation. Without waste begin. The phase modulation, it is important to understand the concept of phase. What is phase? Let's understand it. What is phase? Before this, phase is the position of a point at some time instant. What is phase? Phase is the position of a point at some times change. So phase difference, just understand the phase difference, but it is difference than the phase difference is created when a wave moves horizontally and the time axis when the some vary. Let's understand it with the help of a diagram. Here I will draw two waveforms, having some phase difference. This is the line first wave, okay, and this one is a second. This point, this is 0 and this is sinusoidal wave. This 0 pi 2 pi radians. This one is a first wave. This is the pi by 2. So this is another sinusoidal wave. This the wave first wave, let's call it first with one is second, and should know that is one is leading vary point. This one Latinian phase by 90 degree or pi by 2. Okay, so you can see the wave has been moved horizontally. Since if you draw, this form will be like this. I am just meeting it with the help of trough. So this wave from this shown in the blue, second based on is pi by 2 ahead of this first waveform shown in green. So this is leading and this is lagging. This blue one is the leading wave and the green one is the lag wave. These wave are called to be in phase quadrature, because these are 90 degree at 90 degree phase difference. So these are in phase quadrature, but if they are differ by a phase difference of 180 degree like pi, then these are called as called in phase oppositions. So now let's define the phase difference. Has come to our topic. Phase modulation is phase modulation, the phase more in phase modulation, the instantaneous phase of the carrier wave is varied according to the amplitude of the message signal. We will vary the phase the carrier wave. Yes, we have seen in amplitude and frequency. We vary the amplitude and frequency of the carrier. So in field it will just vary the phase of the carrier wave. So let's analyze the waveform of the phase modulation. Phase modulate wave, this is the time axis. I am drawing the message signal. Okay, this this is the message. This is the message signal, and the signal carrier versus this is the carrier wave making constant amplitude and the constant high frequency. So now I am drawing the phase modulated wave. Only the field is of the carrier will be buried here, not the frequency, neither the MP, only the phase. The informations will be contained in the phase changes. For the phase modulated wave I am going to draw. So let's observe it. These are the times and the message signal cuts the time axis. I will show you its importance very and enjoying these lines. These lines are at this instance the message signal cuts the axis. This is the point and the point. Don't worry, the line through this unit. What does this happen at this instant? Only at this instance the phase builds change at these three instant. Any deciding in deciding in deciding the original path was like this, but it goes in this direction again. At this point original path was in this direction, but the change phase change happen here and it goes the same can happens and at this point. Okay, and now so these are the 3 points where the phase change has occurred. The phase change occurred. It is all three phase. It is all three phase. Phase change are called as phase change means just the horizontal shifting of this wave. We have shifted this wave. This is the orient path was in the direction shape would have been like this, but we have shifted this wave in the horizontal direction. This was phase model to each other.